good, everybody? It's your boy Grandmaster, back at ya with another video. So the other day I was dropping off some art to Connoisseur Smoke in San Marcos, and while I was there I picked up a new pendant. It is some sick Millie chip stack work into a pendant by a guy named Jeff Heath, and on Instagram he goes by Jeff Heath Bar. This pendant is so sick. I thought it would be a cool opportunity to do kind of like, not an unboxing, because if you watched my last video, you already I've seen what it looks like. If you follow me on Instagram, I've already posted it a bunch of times. But I just thought it would be a cool idea to do like an unboxing, just a showcase of the glass. Just because I'm a glass artist, I can show other people's art too, not just my own. And I love art so much, so I figured I've got quite a few pendants. Pendants are definitely my vice. That is the thing that I like and like to collect. So maybe at some point I'll continue to do these videos and show off some of the other pendants I have. But for now, I'm going to show this one off. I have the light box set up, and you'll get to see what it looks like. But to me, it just reminds me of like a membrane or some type of nucleus. And the lighting, it has like a transparent, like see-through section of the Millie chips, so you could actually let light through, and I just think that's such a cool feature. Hold it up to the sun and be able to see through it. Yeah, and Millies are like, Millifori is Italian for a million flowers. So drop a little knowledge. I thought that was pretty cool. Just the possibilities with Millies are endless, and just Millie chip stacking. And it's such a cool technique, and it fascinates me, and I'm so happy to have this pendant in my collection. So, and it just inspires me collecting other people's art and seeing what's capable with glass. I just know that someday I'll be able to evolve to a point to be able to be inspired by something and make what I'd like to make with what I can envision. That's just that's my interpretation of art, because I'm constantly inspired by everything around me and just new ideas of possibilities. So, and my adaptation and what I can bring to the table is just very, very cool. Just like my slogan, never stop evolving. Gotta embody that in everything I do, and I hope you guys do too. So let's toss this in the light box, let's get some macros, and we'll probably end the video after that. Alrighty, got those macros done. That's some sick work by him for sure. Make sure you drop a follow at his Instagram page. I'll do a display somewhere. But Jeff Heath Bar, Jeff Heath Heath Bar BAR, and that's gonna probably do it for me on this video, guys. If you liked seeing the new pendant I scooped, drop a comment, let me know, follow my page, and I'll do some more in the future. And remember, guys, never stop evolving.
Grandmaster Glass.